Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Taplio to craft impactful posts. So first here I'm inside the dashboard and I'm going to click on write a post to open Taplio's composer. Basically, to craft my post I'm going to use Taplio's chat assist. So first I'm going to ask it to help me find ideas. So I work in growth marketing and I've inputted that in the AI settings, so that's what it bases itself on to give me these ideas. So let me look at them. Basically, I think I like the number 6 about SEO. So I'm gonna type in SEO in the chat, hit send, and it's gonna generate the post. Okay, it's looking good so far. Okay, to add it to the editor, I just have to click on edit and post. Okay, and so here I can edit my post however I want. It seems a bit long to my liking. I like my LinkedIn post to be quite short and impactful. So I'm gonna ask Taplio to make the post shorter. Okay, it's looking good. Okay, so clicking edit and post will replace what you currently have inside the composer and the editor. Okay, SEO gets a bad rap with startups. Okay, I like it. I like the tone of it. So here what I can do is improve it in different ways. Let's see what it comes with. Okay, kind of a different hook structure. I like this one. Okay, let me add it to the editor. Okay, and also have other options to make it longer, make it a bit assertive, try and expand the post further than where the chat assist has already gone. So basically I have a ton of options to tweak the post to my liking based on what Taplio has already provided. Okay, this one is looking good. Honestly, I really think I'm gonna add it to my schedule. So then to have it go live, the only thing I need to do is to hit schedule and post. If you are not ready for that yet, you can just leave the composer and the post is going to be inside your draft. But this one, I really think I want to schedule it. So hey, let me click enter. I won't be configuring boosts for this one. So let me continue without. Okay. And now it's added to my schedule. We have it right here, SEO with a scam, same tagline that the one we had. All right. So hey, I hope this video was helpful and see you in the next one.